Hello everyone, permission to introduce myself. My name is Islam Satyadi from the Political Science Study program. Here I will tell you about the problems that occur where I live, Grobogan district. Grobogan Regency is a district located in Central Java province. It has 19 sub-districts spread out. Grobogan Regency is led by the region and the deputy region. Both office in location right in the city center, namely Purwodadi. Large government program offered and promised to the community in order to create progress in Grobogan Regency. Not a few people also have hope for performance. The government they choose to endorse is tasked with advancing Grobogan Regency. However, in Grobogan Regency, there are still many things that must be done in private government performance to advance Grobogan Regency. With us following are the types of problem and effort to deal with them. Grobogan Regency still has a lot uneven road infrastructure, whether in the city, in village, or province road. Often after heavy rain, asphalt many are peeling off, creating potholes on the road and engineering motorhomes. Then in Grobogan Regency, there are still villages that have not experienced equality. Development, for example, road construction, safer construction, social assistance, due to the large number of villages spread widely in Grobogan Regency. Fair lies to this often becomes a problem in Grobogan Regency because it is difficult to obtain subsidized fertilizer for local farmers. Poor people are still found in Grobogan Regency. There are people those who don't have permanent job means people don't have enough income still anyway. Stunting is often discussed in Grobogan. Approximately 14% of the underprivileged population in Grobogan Regency has growth problem and malnutrition, so stunting cases are often heard by the public. Regency Grobogan often experience flooding in various areas, the last of which occurred in the month around January to February, which result in flooding in the city of Purwodadi and flooding in various sub-districts, in particular Thomas Sever in Gubuk sub-district, which resulting in the house sinking and being hit by the swift water from the embankment which broke at that time, which result in surrounding house being washed out anyway undamaged. In contrast to the dry season, Grobogan Regency also experienced drought. The cause of drought is prolonged dryness, making it difficult for people get clean water. Still in contact with clean water, local residents often complain about the cleanliness of the water in Grobogan Regency, especially when people find the water cold and are reluctant to consume it. Turning to the tourism sector, Grobogan Regency actually has a both natural and artificial tourism are classified as good. However, many people outside of have not get know more about tourism in it. And Persipur is a football club owned by Grobogan Regency, but now Persipur has not been heard of for a long time community, with stadium facilities that are less supportive and less accessible attention to government. The solution to equitable distribution of infrastructure and development priority planning, analyzing each need in various regions, building appropriate infrastructure with local potential and needs, involving the community in development planning so that infrastructure is formed according to the needs of the majority of society, encouraging human resource government to be able to plan equality infrastructure. The solution to the difficulty of fertilizer subsidies is to carry out supervision to provide issue fertilizer subsidies and ensuring that fertilizer is delivered to farmers' need, working with the private sector, insurance cooperation between government and the private sector to export the reach of fertilizer distribution. Conduct training to the farmers about effective fertilizer use and how to access subsidies. The solution to eradicating poverty is to support small traders, to progress, support activity, and even opens up job opportunity for the community local, providing assistance correctly and on target to people who are in need. Increase access to free education for all community so that less fortunate able to undergo education and be able to change fate in the future. The solution to overcoming stunting is providing education to pregnant women about getting nutrition and adequate nutrition for the health of the fetus in the womb. Create program routine check-up in every village for pregnant women for free to monitor growth and development of the fetus of that are growth well. The solution to dealing with flooding in development and paying attention to drainage places that often experience flooding. Carry out reforestation and greening for increased water absorption. Pay attention to the infrastructure development appropriately and plan development program well, and maintain the surrounding environment with assistance from all elements of society. The solution of drought is the fluid reservoirs or reservoirs to store water when rain season so that it can be usefully distributed to local community. Developing government policies the support effort to protect water community and private sector to ensure adequate water needs. The solution to dirty water is to monitor water cleanliness and ensure that the water is truly clean before being consumed by the public. Solution for inadequate stadium is to analyze how feasible the stadium is to be used to carry out efficient funding for development. Both government sponsor as well as private parties involving community the participation to ensure needs that society needs. As well, holding event competition to improve use of the stadium and draw attention to importance of improvements. The solution is to make tourism more advanced by inviting the community, especially young people, to help promote through social media, building attractive tourist attraction possible to visit, showing the beauty of each tour. Maintain consistently tourism attention. If tourist attention develop, the local economy will follow. I think enough. Thank you.